Hey guys, it's Jared from Plan D, and we're gonna put a high torque starter in my 7.3 IDI turbo. The starter died, so we're gonna replace the starter because we need a new one. And I decided to upgrade and get a high torque because the original one was kind of shit. Yeah, guys, so we're just gonna get to it. We're gonna disconnect the battery.
Stand somewhere random on the back of your truck and say the rest of the line. It's gonna be like retarded jump scenes. Like just like. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh fuck! So this is the old junk, greasy old junk.
Old original.
Shut the fuck up, Jared! So this is the old junk that was in this fucking truck here.
I got something in my eye!
So,
it's like we got restart again. Okay, go again.
yeah, this dude's fucked. So yeah, this is the greasy old junk here that came out of this thing. It doesn't work. He'll sell it to you for a real good deal, 25 bucks. It's the brand new guy. This one is like a little mini starter boy. And it's got a gear reduction in it. That's why it's offset. So she's gonna be high torque. So we should be able to just about flip the truck over when you hit the key. So yeah, that's gonna be Jared's problem to put that back in. So I'm just gonna put that right there. And now the truck will start.
So guys, we got the new starter installed and she cranks pretty fucking fast. I'll give you guys, I'll show you what it sounds like.
Demonstration is what they call it. Watch it not start.
Hey, the day after you fix yours, he's fixing his.
It's a truck thing. Hey guys, we're taking Jaden's engine, it's 5 liter, home, and just little things I guess.